Hello guys, welcome to TechBuzz. If you are an iPhone user, there may be times when you have faced some of the software related issues like the phone stuck into recovery mode with the Connect to PC logo, or the phone stuck on Apple logo after update, or boot loop resulting in phone not able to boot up. And when you connect your phone to PC, iTunes shows error 4013 or similar kind of error. And the only solution to boot up your phone is to restore your phone, which results in loss of data. But it is possible to repair all these issues without data loss using Tenorshare Re-iBoot app. Tenorshare Re-iBoot is the one-stop solution for all the iOS related problems. It is available for both Windows and Mac PC. The link of the app is mentioned in the description below. You can check the details from the link. Although this app is not free, but it's worth of every penny, as you can use Tenorshare Re-iBoot to repair 150 plus iOS related problems like device stuck on Apple logo boot loop, or black screen. You can also use it to downgrade from beta firmware to official firmware or to reset your device. You can use it to enter into recovery mode to install beta version or exit from recovery mode, which may result due to corrupt firmware. This app supports iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch and Apple TV. So you can see my iPhone is stuck into recovery mode with the sign of connect to PC. So I have connected my iPhone to PC, and all you have to do is click exit recovery mode. The app will start its work, and in a matter of seconds, your phone will be back to home screen. So the process has completed successfully. Now wait for the iPhone to boot up. So the iPhone has booted up and all my data is intact. So with Re-iBoot, it was possible in just 1 minute, that too without data loss. But what if this procedure doesn't work and your phone is still stuck into recovery mode or stuck on Apple logo or boot loop? So if that is the case, we will go to iOS system repair. So there are two methods. First is the standard repair method, which will solve most of the software issues without wiping your data. And the second one is the deep repair method, which will wipe all the data on your smartphone, but will surely bring your phone back to working condition. But there are only 10% chances that you may need this method, as standard repair solves most of the problems. So I will use this one. Before going ahead, connect your iPhone to the PC. Now click standard repair. So here it shows that my phone is connected now, and at the top it shows that the latest available firmware is ready to download. Here you can select the path where you want to save the downloaded firmware. After that, you can click download and let the app download the latest firmware for you. And if you have already downloaded the firmware IPSW file, you can click here and locate it. So the firmware is ready to install. Click standard repair to go to the next step. Now the app will verify the downloaded firmware and will start unpacking it. After that, the repair procedure will start automatically, so you don't need to do anything. Just sit back and relax, and don't touch or disconnect your phone until you get a repair complete message. This procedure may take 8 to 10 minutes. So the standard repair has completed and phone is booting up now. So the phone has finally booted up after the 10-minute repair process, and as you can see, all my apps and data is intact like photos, WhatsApp chats, call logs, messages, everything is there, and it was possible only with Tenorshare Re-iBoot app. But if the standard method fails for you, you can use the deep method. All the steps in the deep method are similar, but the only difference is that deep method will wipe all the data. But as I said earlier, there are only 10% chances that you may need to use the deep method. You can also use this app to reset your device, and under reset there are two options. First one is the factory reset, which will wipe all the data and will bring the phone back to the welcome setup screen that you can see when your phone is brand new. And the second one is the general reset, which you can use if you are facing some issues like notifications or network not working, or facing battery drain or device freezing due to any corrupted app. This will solve it. So that was all about Tenorshare Re-iBoot app, which can be really helpful to get out of some really tricky situations on your iOS device. You can download the app from the Tenorshare Re-iBoot site. The link is mentioned in the description below. You can either buy a monthly, yearly or lifetime license as per your need. If you have doubts regarding the Tenorshare Re-iBoot app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.